Okay, and now we are going to discuss about the states of the equilibrium. There are three states of equilibrium. The first one is named as stable equilibrium, क़याम पज़ीर तवाज़न. क़याम पज़ीर तवाज़न. If after a slight tilt, a body return to its previous position, then it is said to be in stable equilibrium. This state is named as stable equilibrium. Here you see that there is a book lying on the table. Here its center of gravity is acting downward. When you are going to lift the book, what will happen? Its center of gravity, the location of the position of the center of gravity changes. It acts like this one. So in this case, we say that the body is in stable equilibrium. Or in the previous book, which was written before this session, there was an example of a ball in this instrument. Here the ball lies here in the start. When you apply the force F over it, it will move from here to here. Suppose the ball reaches here. Then after removing the force, the ball again come back to its original position. Then this is named as a stable equilibrium. In this case, the center of gravity after the application of the force first rises or changes, and after the removal of the force, the object or the body regain its center of gravity location again. If it is acting here, center of gravity, when the ball drops from here, or in this position, the ball will again regain its initial or original position, and center of gravity acts like here as in the beginning. So in this case, the center of gravity rises after the application of the force, and when we remove the force, the center of gravity again retain its position, or the object come back to its original position. This is another example of stable equilibrium. क़याम पज़ीर तवाज़न ये हुआ कि जब हमने इस पे कुव्वत लगाई तो इसने अपनी जगह को छोड़ दिया, बॉल ने यहाँ पर आ गई, और जब हमने फोर्स रिमूव की तो दोबारा असल जगह पे चली गई. और उस सूरत हाल में जब ये अपनी असल जगह पे चली गई तो आपने देखा कि इसका सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी वहीं पर आ गया जहां इसको होना चाहिए था. तो ये हमारी थी इसकी जो Then comes unstable equilibrium, गैर क़याम पज़ीर तवाज़न. गैर क़याम पज़ीर तवाज़न. Here it is written, if a body does not return to its previous position when set free after a slightest tilt, it is said to be in unstable equilibrium. Or you may say that if after the application of the force, the center of gravity does not come to its original point, or you say that its center of gravity becomes low, then we say that the body satisfies the unstable equilibrium condition. For example, if you are going to consider a pencil lying in this position, it is in the standing position. Here it is center of gravity lies here. Then after the application of the force, it will fall down here, and after removal it will not retain its original position, it will not come back to its standing position. Then we say that the object satisfies unstable equilibrium. Or another example of that case which we studied in the stable equilibrium, a ball and this instrumental system in which the ball lies here, and after the application of the force, the ball will fall down and come to this point. But as you see that the center of gravity was higher in the beginning and it becomes low after the application of the force, then we say that the ball or the object is in the state of unstable equilibrium because its center of gravity lowers after the application of the force and it is not retaining its original position. In that case, the object is said to be satisfied unstable equilibrium. इसमें ये हुआ है कि बॉल पे हमने फोर्स लगाई है, बॉल अगर यहाँ पे था, हाइट पे था, आपने फोर्स लगाई, वो जिस कंडीशन में चला गया वहां से वापस नहीं आया, सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी इसका लो हो चुका है, यहाँ पे लो सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी, तो उस वक्त जो सा है हम कहेंगे कि ये अनस्टेबल गैर क़यामपज़ीर तवाज़ुन है। इसी तरह डस्टर पे आप कर सकते हैं, उसको स्टैंड करके कर सकते हैं, वो भी अनस्टेबल इक्विलिब्रियम बनेगी, जब उसको स्लाइटेस्ट टिल्ट देंगे तो वो वापस नहीं आएगा। तो अब चलते हैं हम इसकी जो तीसरी स्टेट है